And in doing so, I started talking to them about their experiences. And I would be the 1001 question guy. I'll question them about, why did you go there? How did you do it? How fast is your boat? What do you like about your boat? What don't you like about her? And then they were very, very accommodating. They would every time invite us onto the yacht, and he will talk about hours, because people that's passionate about stuff don't just keep on talking about it. And I tell you, I was like a sponge. That's the most learning for us took place in those sessions. That was worth gold. Not the amount of book knowledge in this life, not the amount of videos that you watch on YouTube lately,